Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Zoho Books to manage your business finances, one of the most important tasks you'll do regularly is bank reconciliation. In today's full 2025 guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do a bank reco in Zoho Books, step by step, so your records always match your bank statement perfectly. Stay with me till the end, and you'll never have to stress about mismatched transactions again. First, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for all account summaries. Next, locate the section called Active Accounts. This is where all your linked bank accounts are displayed. Before you proceed, double-check that the account you want to reconcile is correctly linked and active. If it isn't, you'll need to set that up first. Now click into that bank account to open its details. Inside the banking section, look for the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. From the Settings menu, select Reconcile Account. This is where the magic begins. You'll see an option that says Reconcile Now. Click on it to start preparing the system to match your Zoho Books transactions with your bank statement. At this point, Zoho Books will display a screen with all the transactions it has recorded for that account. Your job is to compare each transaction with the entries on your actual bank statement. Be meticulous here. Make sure dates, amounts, and descriptions align perfectly. If you notice anything off, correct it before moving forward. Once you've verified every single entry, it's time to finalize. Click on Start Reconciliation to confirm. Zoho Books will double-check the data and then mark the account as reconciled. That's it. Your books now match your bank records. And that's how simple it is to do a bank reconciliation in Zoho Books. By following these steps regularly, you'll catch errors early, keep your financials accurate, and make tax time a whole lot easier. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical Zoho tutorials, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.